Hi, my name is Daniela. I have been a member here at No Limits Fitness since 2016. The reason why I started was really I needed my mental, my physical, and emotional health to be supported with a group that you can't find at just a regular gym. So I have loved this gym because of all the support, the motivation, the accountability that No Limits Fitness has given me in over the past 10 years. I definitely have hit some major milestones by losing over 30 pounds, building my stamina, muscle strength. So the program works as long as you stick with it and keep your positive attitude. No Limits Fitness has made a major difference in my life, mentally, physically. The group here is really supportive. So even through certain situations in life, the group has been here to keep us going emotionally. So I can't say anything other than thank you, No Limits. The obstacle that made me thought about not joining was fear of failing, fear of not being able to do the program, but in all honesty, the program is meant for everybody. What has exceeded my expectations since joining is the family that you create here at No Limits Fitness. Everybody, not just the trainers, but all the members make you feel like a family, and everybody's so supportive and understanding when you're having a tough time. But most importantly, we just love our little deranged family here at No Limits Fitness. If you're on the fence from joining, yes, I can understand that. I was too, but honestly, just come on in, take the next step. You'll feel welcome. The trainers are amazing, and so are the members. So honestly, it's totally different from a large gym, as this is more of a smaller group, and you learn to just really get great relationships with everybody when you walk in the door.